Hey guys, here's today's restore wrap-up video. Haven't gotten to these yet. You probably saw them in last week's video. A lot of this stuff was in last week's video. There's some new things as well. Hard to show you everything since it's in boxes. We got a lot of stuff out today. Probably about a dozen fans out today. There's a Codep down there with stencil blades. That'll be cool if I can get to that. Okay, I'll show you what's out. This floor lamp came in today. It's pretty cool. I was going to price it higher, but Grant was going to price it lower, so we met in the middle. That quorum's still here. This moved over here. This is still here. These two craft maids came in today. Grant's putting together a Hunter. Can't remember what these are called. Maybe the Orion or the Spectrum or something like that. They've got the remote and the halogen light, and they were sold at Menards. These are kind of cool. I'm going to try to stash these somewhere so they don't get scrapped. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even see that. Okay, let's keep looking. This shade clearly went to something cool. Little craft maid still here. This, I can't remember if this was here or not. Last video. Either it went out before today or before the last video. One of the new tones is still here. One sold. This went out today. This is still here. This went out today. This is still here. Can't remember when this went out. This went out today, but we had a bunch of these before. Oh, that reminds me, I was going to talk to Craig about that one out today. Minka's surprisingly still here. That Emerson's still here. This is one of the cooler things I've seen here in a while. Hunter Whisperwind. It had 4 spotlight kits, spotlight arms, but 2 of them were broken, so I just took them off. This, I think, went out today. We get a lot of these. That went out last week. Still here. Still here. Which one? Okay. This mission came, these both went out today. The mission's a really cool find. Delta's still here. That went out today. This Airflow. This Hampton Bay. Okay. I will go find out what they're talking about with St. Vinny's.